The path to reconciliation, restoring broken relationships. We've all been there, hurt by a friend, or maybe we were the ones who caused the hurt. The silence grows, the distance widens, and suddenly, what once was laughter is replaced by regret. But is this the end of the story? What if I told you that God has given us a way back to peace? Reconciliation isn't just about saying, sorry, it's about restoring what was lost. And guess what? The Bible is full of powerful wisdom on how to do it. Colossians 3 verse 13 says, "Bear with each other and forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you." Forgiveness isn't always easy. It takes humility, courage, and a heart willing to follow God's lead. But it also brings freedom, because when we hold on to grudges, we become prisoners of our own pain. Jesus didn't just tell us to love our friends, He told us to love even our enemies. Imagine how much more He desires for us to restore broken friendships. Matthew 5 verses 23 to 24. If you are offering your gift at the altar and there remember that your brother or sister has something against you, leave your gift there in front of the altar. First, go and be reconciled to them, then come and offer your gift. Reconciliation doesn't mean things will be exactly as they were, but it does mean choosing love over bitterness, peace over pride, and God's way over our own. So if there's someone on your heart today, don't wait. Reach out. Speak life. And let God do the rest. Who do you need to reconcile with today?